This is a review of the Enbrighten gaming light bars that I would highly recommend. These light bars provides a huge ambience towards your interior of your home. And this is for also for your gaming light bars too. If you have a computer desktop and you're wanting a gaming effect, then this is also a cool feature to have as well too. But you can also have it for your TV too, and it provides a huge ambience whenever I'm watching a movie. And I'm gonna be turning the TV on and showing you guys that how well this looks like. So when I turn the TV on, it lights up, and you can see that it comes with a stand that you can see here. The stand does look phenomenal. You could take the stand off and lay it flat too. It shows in the picture that you could lay it flat as well too, but I prefer it better with having a stand, and the stands look really amazing. They're very nice and sturdy. They don't fall down or anything like that. The wires are very long to connect all the way to the back of the TV too, and the USB port is quite long to connect it to there. And overall, I would highly recommend the Enbrighten Lights gaming light bars because of the fact that it really is easy to use and easy to plug in. You can use this for your desktop computer and also for your TV as well too. There's an app you download, the Enlighten app, and then after that you download that. You can control it through the app of your phone and have different color effects. Although I love these color effects that it is on currently, but you could change the color effects through the app of your phone, so you use your phone to control everything. And it also has the music feature as well too. So when you have music, it does music to the beats mode as well too, and it reacts to the sound. Whatever you're doing, it reacts to the sound to it. And overall, I would highly recommend the Enlighten gaming light bar because of the fact that it provides a huge ambience towards your interior of your home, and it looks very nice and phenomenal. And I haven't had any problems with this, so I would highly recommend this if you are looking for a different type of look to have for your interior of your home. Then the Enlighten gaming light bar is good to have for your computer, desktop, and also for your TV as well too.